Good morning. We are continuing class 9 coordinate. Okay, coordinate geometry exercise 3.3. Number 1, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points minus 2 comma 4 3 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma 0 1 comma 2 and minus 3 comma minus 5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so on which quadrant this point lies, let me show you. Okay, first minus 2 comma 4 lies okay in the which quadrant? Negative, positive. Look, quadrant is like this. This is called first quadrant, positive, positive. First quadrant, okay. Negative, positive. Second quadrant, okay. Negative, negative. Third quadrant, clear. And then this is fourth quadrant, positive, negative, clear. First quadrant, positive, positive. Second quadrant, negative, positive. Third quadrant, negative, negative. And fourth quadrant, positive, negative. All right, so this is negative, value of x is negative and value of y is positive here. So it lies on which quadrant? Second quadrant. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Okay, quadrant. Then next point, 3 comma minus 1, positive, negative. See, positive, negative. It is in fourth quadrant. So which quadrant? Lies in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Okay. The next point, minus 1 comma 0. If 0 is there, if any one of the coordinate is 0, so you write like this. It is lies in no quadrant. Okay, lies in no quadrant. But here value of x is negative 1, so write like this. But lies in no quadrant, but lies on the, it is negative, so write like this. Negative side of, this is the value of x, so it is x axis. Okay, then next it is given 1 comma 2, both are positive means first quadrant, so write like this. Lies in the first quadrant. Okay, then next point is your minus 3 comma minus 5. Okay, lies, both are negative here, so negative means third quadrant. Lies in the third quadrant. Okay, it is given verify by locating them. Okay, so how to locate? Before also we learn this one. So first you have to divide the axis. Okay, axis we have to divide x-axis and y-axis. All right, we have to divide the axis. So let me divide axis. Divided. Okay, this is left, on the left side of origin x is negative, on the right side of origin x is positive. Okay, below origin y is negative and above origin y is positive. Now divide. Take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Your highest value of x is positive 3 and negative 3 both. So take 1 equal to 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3. So up to 4 I have taken on the left side, and right side also 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose up to 5 taken. Okay, and highest value of y on the negative axis is -5, and on the positive side, positive axis, it is 4. Okay, so take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit like before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One more I have taken extra. After, so 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5 suppose. Okay, then divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. We have to locate the point. Our first point is -2 and -2 and 4. So -2 means value of x is -2, negative. Okay, and +4, value of y is +4. So straight to 2 and 4. Okay, straight to 2 and 4. Let me give the dot. Straight to 2 and 4. How we did before, no? 2 and straight to 4. Okay, so this is the point. This is the point -2, -4. Okay, your next point is 3, -1. That means value of x is +3 and y is -1. So +3 this one, -1. Straight to 3 and 1. Okay, straight to 3 and 1. This is your -1, -1, value of y. This is the point 3, -1. Okay, the next point is given -1, 0. Value of x is -1, y is 0. So this is the point -1, 0. The next point given 1, 2. Value of x is 1, +1, and y is +2. So straight to 1 and 2. Straight to 1 and 2. Okay, straight to 1 and 2. This is the point. This is the point 1, 2. The next point is given -3, -5. Value of x is -3 and value of y is also -5. So straight to -3 and -5. Okay, this is -3, -3. Up to -5, straight to -5. So see, straight to -5 we do. Okay, so this is the point. This is the point -3, -5. All right. Okay, then let me write scale below. Scale you must write. Scale must be written. Scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. We have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. All right, then some little language will write. Taking some sentences would write. Taking x o x dash and y o y dash as the axis, the points minus 2 comma 4 comma 3 comma minus 1 comma 0 1 comma 2 and minus 3 comma minus 5 are plotted on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so today's last question. Okay, plot the points x comma y given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable unit of distance on the axis. This is a table. Okay, value of x and y is given. So how to plot? It is same as number 1, how we have plotted. Okay, same. Look here, highest value of y is positive 8. That means up to 8 we have to take upside. Okay, above origin, and negative 1.25. That means on the y-axis below origin it will become only 1.25. Understood? No? So how to divide? Let me show you. First we will divide the axis like before. Okay, like before we will divide. Divided. We will draw the axis. Okay, this is your y-axis, origin. Y dash means negative, below y is negative below origin, x dash. Okay, now like before, you divide the axis, take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, value of y is positive, highest value of y is positive 8. That means above origin it will become value of y up to 8 to divide. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Suppose one extra we are taking 9. Okay, below origin also 1 2. Okay, then x, value of x, highest value of x is positive 3 and on the left side is negative 1. Okay, so same as before, we'll divide the axis first, take 1 centimeter 1 unit, 1 2 3 4. This is also 1 2 3. Okay, like before we have divided 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, minus 1 minus 2. So our first point is given minus 2 comma 8. Value of x is minus 2, y is 8. So straight to minus 2 and 8. Okay, straight to minus 2 and 8. Okay, straight to minus 2 and 8. Right, straight to minus 2 and 8. My lines are not very straight, but you make straight. Okay, so this is the point. Yes, this is the point. All right, minus 2 comma 8. Next point, x is minus 1, y is 7. So state to 1 and 7. This is minus 1 and 7, state to 7. Straight to 7. Okay, this is 7, so straight to 7. This is the point, minus 1 comma 7. Okay, the next point, value of x is 0 and y is 1.25. this is the value of x 0. 1.25 means just in between 1 and 2 you give the point. Okay, this is the point, 1 0 comma minus 1.25. okay, next point is your 1 comma 3. value of x is 1, y is 3. value of x 3, value of x 1, value of x is your 1, value of x 1, y is 3. Straight to 1 and 3. okay, straight to 1 and 3. this is the point, 1 and 3, 1 comma 3. Then last point is your 3 comma minus 1. value of x is 3, y is minus 1. So straight to 3 and 1. okay, straight to positive 3 and 1, dot 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 you give, and this is the point 1, straight to 1 and 3 minus, sorry, straight to 3 and minus 1. so this is the point, okay, 3 comma minus 1. all right, now we have to write scale. What scale we have taken? That one scale we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Then taking xo x dash and yo y dash as the axis, the points minus 2 comma 8, minus 1 comma 7, comma 0 comma minus 1.25, comma 1 comma 3, comma 3 comma minus 1 are plotted on the Cartesian plane.